Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the accident detection and error system using Python programming language. User have to run the python space main.py file, that is Python scripted file. Okay, if you have to enter any video, then you have to just copy the path and paste here in the terminal, or else you have to write 0 for real-time detection. Okay, so I'm just giving the video. Now there is no accident. Okay, if there is no accident, then it will show in the green color, no accident label, or else if two car collides with each other, then it will show the accident in the red color and with the beep sound, and it will also send a alert message on the register mobile number, like you have to enter mobile number. Now you can see that two car collide with each other, and it will show the red color accident, and it will give the beep sound. Continuously it will give the beep sound.
Okay, so this way it can detect in video, and if you want to detect in camera, you can simply again run it and press 0. So it will start with camera. And suppose if I play this video. So this way you can detect in camera.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.